He would have sex with multiple friends and have Tiffany watch. Then he would have Tiffany participate. Then it was just him and Tiffany. And she wanted to do whatever she needed to do to be with him. And so when he insisted on having sex with her, she did. And then it became a regular thing, and she eventually lived with him and was told to cut off contact with other people, which she did. So it was an evolution of pedophilia. Remember, he met Aaliyah when she was 13 years old. I don't think anyone ever suspected early on that they were having a sexual relationship, because why would you suspect a grown man of having sex with a 13-year-old? Tiffany Hawkins was the first person to bring this to the attention of anybody, and nobody believed her. I called and called and called the office of the state's attorney, not a word back. We knew we had to take action when the state didn't do anything. What Kelly was doing was horrendous, was predatory, was serial, and needed to be stopped. And so what we had to do was file a lawsuit against him and the people that he worked for. We knew that our only avenue of redress was a civil lawsuit seeking money damages. We sued R. Kelly, we sued Jive Records, Zomba, Blackground. We sued Kelly for the assault and battery. We sued all these other places for negligence. It's an imperfect system, but it's the best system that's out there, and it's what we have. On the record, she testified that she had sex with R. Kelly while she was a minor, and that he knew it, and that he had sex with other minors in her presence. And she testified under oath that they engaged in group sexual encounters together with other minors. Kelly's lawyers threw me out of their office, so they knew they were screwed. I left Susan Logan's office because I always want to do my best, and I really feel like I was denied the opportunity to do the best for Tiffany Hawkins in this case. Paying money for silence victimizes women. Susan, as far as I know, has brokered settlements for silence for victims of R. Kelly's abuse. There was nothing to benefit anybody by locking this guy up. What would justice look like to me, since we can't turn back the hands of time? Jail, forever. And something more societally, an understanding that this kind of behavior can't be tolerated and be put aside in favor of profit.